Good morning, students. How are you all? As we have finished our exercise number 3.3, now we will start today 3.4 exercise. Okay, in this one we have some identities. So, first of all, we will learn identities. What are these identities? How to use them, how to apply. Okay, so these things we will learn here. So, identity, we have identity number 1. First identity we have a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Identity means we can directly use in the place of this, and in the place of this we can use. If it is given, we can write directly this one. If it is given, we can write directly this one. How? See identity. Let's prove this one. This is actually equal to this one or not? Really it should be equal, then only we can use. So here I am just taking left hand side. Here this is a plus b whole square. Right? This is a whole square. So can you write the same thing two times? Like a plus b and a plus b. Can you write like this? Yes, we can write. So now this will be equal to, now by multiplication, binomial by binomial, can we multiply? Yes, we can multiply. This a will be multiplied by 2, a plus b. This a will be multiplied to whole, and this b also will be multiplied to whole. So this a plus b will be multiplied by a plus b, right? So this, now these will be multiplied one by one by distributive property, right? So this a multiplied by a is equal to a square plus a multiplied by b is equal to ab. Then here a multiplied by b is equal to ab plus b multiplied by b is equal to b square, right? So this will be equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square, 2ab, b square. Can you see these both are same? Yes. If these both are same, so no need to solve every time. We can use directly this equal to this. These are identities. Okay. Now second thing, a minus b whole square. This is second identity. A minus b whole square. Okay. In this one, the same can we prove? So let's prove this one. A minus b multiply by a minus b, because this is a square, we are writing the same thing two times. Kitne time? Two times. So what we will do here, this will be equal to a will be multiplied by a minus b, and minus b will be multiplied by a minus b, right? A to a square, a to b, minus ab, then minus b to a, minus ab, minus b plus b square, right? So this will be equal to a square minus ab means minus 2ab, right? And plus b square as it is. So this will be equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. It means the identity we have, like I have written here, this one, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is your number 2 identity, second identity. Got it? This is your second identity. Let's come to the next one. Hope you are getting everything here. So now we will learn number 3. ध्यान से देखते जाना, आइडेंटिटीज का यूज भी करेंगे हम लोग आगे. नंबर 3 इज a plus b and a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Correct? Let's check. So in this one also, left hand side, that is a plus b and a minus b we will take. Okay, how to solve this one now? See, This a will be multiplied to both of them. A multiplied by a minus b, plus this b will be multiplied by a minus b. So this will be equal to a multiplied by a square, then minus ab, then plus ab, and b multiplied by b minus b square. Correct now? So this will be equal to a square minus ab plus ab, they will be cancelled to each other. So what will left here? Minus b square. Can we say these are equal? These things are equal or not? Yes. So we can say that a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. If this is given, we can use directly this equal to this. If this is given, we can use that also. This was our identity number 3. Now here I will take one more identity, last one. This is 3 now, and 4th identity of your book. 4th is last one. 4th identity is x plus a and x plus b will be equal to. In this identity, see, the first one is x, here also x. Correct? But the second term is different. First one is same and second is different. In others, first and second both were same. So this is the difference between the identities. First same x, second different a and b. So let's solve this one, and what will come? X multiplied by x will be equal to x square, right? Then x will be multiplied by b. आया समझ में? X by x and x by b. So this will be equal to plus x b. Correct? Now this a will be multiplied to both of them one by one. So plus x a, and a multiplied by b is equal to ab. Correct? So now here this will be equal to x square plus xc. In these two, x is common or not? Common है ना इन दोनों में x. X we can take common. What is left? A plus b और b plus a बात एक ही है. Correct? This plus ab, x square plus x, a plus b plus ab. This is the identity. So can we say? So x plus a, x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b plus ab. If different signs are given, just keep in consideration all signs you will use properly. Suppose this is minus, both. So how to use minus sign with the variable or constant, whatever given. Okay? So these are identities. Let's try to solve one question related to this identity. I'm just going to write here one question. Number 1 of 3.4. Now see here, we have written here first question, solve with suitable identity p plus 3 and p plus 3. Now first of all I would like to write here identities. First identity is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Correct? Second identity is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third identity is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. As I told you, आप इसको इधर लिखो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. Number 4 identity is, that is x plus a and x plus b is equal to x square x a plus b plus ab. These identities we have written here. We will use any one of them. Which one we will use? See here. First one, p plus 3, both are same na? Same as it is, both are. So can you write here p plus 3 whole square. No need to multiply, just write whole square. Right? P plus 3 whole square. Here first I write A plus B whole square. Here A is P and B is 3. So what you will write? Using identity. You have to write with every question. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Correct? So use here. This will be equal to, क्या होगा? P plus 3 whole square will be equal to, A is P na? So you can write here P square plus, यहाँ क्या आ रहा है? 2 as it is. A is P, B is 3 plus B square means 3 square. जैसा है वैसा का वैसा आप वैल्यू रख दो. This will be equal to P square as it is plus 2 3 जा 6P plus 3 square means 3 3 जा 9. So 9. ये आ गया आपका solution. Correct? Like this we can use identity. This is the method of use of identity. One more question I will do, last one, then you will try from your side question number 1. I'm just going to write here. I'll erase, then I will write. Okay? See, I have written here one more question, this one. Okay? This is E, x minus 1 upon 2y, x minus 1 upon 2y, x same, 1 upon 2y, 1 upon 2y also same. When things are same, देखो a minus b whole square, can we write? This will be equal to x minus 1 upon 2 y whole square. We can write like this? Yes. Now whole square, can we use? Using identity. Which identity we will use? Number 2. That is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So x minus 1 upon 2y whole square will be equal to, this will be equal to, now see, this is a and this whole is b. ये तो a है और ये क्या है इसमें b है. When compare with this one, अच्छा a की बात क्या आएगा? a square है, a क्या है? x है ना. So here x square, then minus sign as it is. After minus sign 2, right here 2 multiply by a is x, multiply by b is 1 upon 2y, 1 upon 2y plus b square, b is 1 upon 2y whole square. So this will be equal to x square minus, देखो 2 1 जा 2, 2 to 2 cancel, what will come? xy plus, this is square, जब हम करेंगे इसका 1 upon 2, 2 2 जा 4 ना, so 1 upon 4 y square. This is the solution of this one using identity. Okay, so like this you can solve. Do 3.4 question number 1 complete from your side, and other question also you can do by using other identities as I have written here. This much is enough today. Thank you. Have a nice day.